Opening hook 000-030. Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Imagine pulling a perfectly crisp batch of fries and a juicy roasted chicken out of the same appliance at the exact same moment. No juggling pans, no guesswork, just pure, effortless dinner perfection. That's the promise of the Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone 8-quart 6-in-1 air fryer. And today we're diving deep into why this two-basket powerhouse might just be the kitchen upgrade you didn't know you needed. Transition 030-045. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's break down every feature, test it against the competition, and see how it performs in real-world meals. Feature 1: Smart Finish Match Cook 045-200. First up, Ninja's DualZone Technology. It gives you two independent 4-quart cooking zones, each with its own cyclonic fan and rapid heater. The magic happens with the Smart Finish button. Say you're making a batch of sweet potato fries and a sheet pan of salmon. You set the fries to 20 minutes, the salmon to 12 minutes. Hit Smart Finish, and the fryer automatically delays the start of the fries, so both finish together. No more wait for the fries to crisp while the fish cools down. If you prefer a simpler workflow, the Match Cook button copies the settings from one zone to the other, instantly turning your full 8-quart capacity into a single cooking chamber. Want to roast a whole chicken and a side of Brussels sprouts together? Just set the chicken, hit Match Cook, and the second zone mirrors the temperature and time, perfect for family-style meals without extra dishes. Why does this matter? Traditional single-basket air fryers force you to cook in batches, extending prep time and increasing cleanup. Even most dual-basket models lack coordinated timing, leaving you to manually stagger foods. Ninja's Smart Finish eliminates that guesswork, giving you restaurant-level timing control at home. Feature 2: 6-in-1 functionality 200-330. Next, the 6 cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This isn't just a fry-only gadget, it's a compact convection oven. Air fry, get that golden, oil-like crunch on wings, fries, or even zucchini sticks. Air broil, perfect for finishing a steak with a caramelized crust or melting cheese on a casserole. Roast, think whole pork loin or a Thanksgiving turkey breast. Dry heat, circulates evenly, sealing juices. Bake, yes, you can bake muffins, cookies, or a small loaf without heating the whole kitchen. Reheat, forget soggy microwave leftovers. The Reheat program restores crispness. Dehydrate, turn fruit, jerky, or kale into healthy snacks in a fraction of the time of a traditional dehydrator. Real-world test: I baked a batch of cinnamon sugar donuts using the bake program, then immediately switched to dehydrate to make banana chips in the second zone. Both finished in under 30 minutes, proof that the appliance truly lives up to its 6-in-1 claim. Feature 3XL capacity 330-430. The 8-quart capacity translates to up to 4 pounds of fries or wings, or a full main dish plus 2 sides. For a family of 4, you can air fry a tray of seasoned potatoes, roast a chicken breast, and bake a small casserole all at once. Compared to the typical 5-quart single-basket models, you're cutting cooking time by roughly 40 because you're eliminating the need for multiple rounds. Feature 4 separate heating zones 430-515. Each zone operates independently, meaning you can run air fry at 400 F in one basket while dehydrate at 135 F in the other. The dual cyclonic fans ensure rapid, uniform heat distribution, so you won't get hot spots or uneven browning. In practice, this means you can crisp frozen chicken nuggets while simultaneously drying out apple slices for a snack. No cross-flavor contamination, no extra cleanup. Feature 5: Easy Cleaning 515-600. Ninja knows that an appliance's longevity depends on how easy it is to maintain. Both baskets and the crisper plates are dishwasher safe, and the non-stick coating resists food sticking. A quick rinse or a run through the dishwasher, and you're ready for the next meal. Competing models often require hand washing of the entire unit or have hard-to-reach crevices that trap grease, something the DZ201 eliminates. Real-world use cases 600-730. Let's paint a typical weekday scenario. You come home at 5 p.m., toss a frozen bag of sweet potato fries in Zone A with air fry, set the timer for 18 minutes, and at the same time place a seasoned pork tenderloin in Zone B on roast for 25 minutes. Hit Smart Finish, and both finish at 6 perfectly crisp fries and a juicy pork roast ready to plate. Weekend brunch? Use Bake to pop a batch of blueberry muffins in one zone, while air broil a slab of bacon in the other. The bacon stays crispy, the muffins rise evenly, and the whole process stays under 20 minutes. And for the health-conscious, the Dehydrate program lets you make your own fruit leathers or kale chips without buying processed snacks again, all while the rest of the family enjoys a hot dinner. Comparison to alternatives 730 to 830. If you're weighing this against a traditional convection oven, the DZ201 wins on speed, energy use, and counter space. A 30-minute roast in a full-size oven can take 45 minutes in a preheated unit. The Ninja's rapid heaters shave off 1,015 minutes. Compared to a single basket air fryer, you're saving at least one batch cycle per meal, which translates to less oil, fewer dishes, and more time spent at the table. Against other dual basket models, the standout is the Smart Finish algorithm. Most competitors require manual timing adjustments, which defeats the purpose of a set-and-forget appliance. Conclusion: call to action 830 to 900. Bottom line, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone 8-quart 6-in-1 air fryer delivers on every promised: speed, versatility, capacity, and ease of cleanup while giving you unprecedented timing control with Smart Finish and Match Cook. If you're serious about cutting down meal prep time without sacrificing flavor, this is the gadget that will become the centerpiece of your countertop. Ready to upgrade your kitchen and start serving perfectly timed meals every night? Click the link below to grab your Ninja DualZone today. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews.